Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup slash beauty haul. I will be showing you what I got and I'll also tell you where I got it. So the first thing I picked up was this Morphe Flawless Beauty Sponge. My Real Techniques beauty sponge was getting pretty old, so I thought I'd try a new one. The next thing I got, oh, and that was from Ulta. Did I say that already? Don't remember. Anyways, next thing I got was this facial spray. It has aloe vera, herbs, and rose water in it. I'm pretty sure this is a pretty common spray, but I hadn't tried it yet, so I thought it was time that I try this sucker out. I also got that from Ulta. Next thing I got is this Ecotools Total Perfect Blender. Looks like this. I was intrigued with the flat side. It has one on this side and also on the other side. I wanted to see if this one would be better for getting out underneath the eyes, like with concealer. So I thought I'd try that one out as well. The next thing I got is a concealer brush. It's by e.l.f. It looks like this, and also a eye crease e.l.f. brush, because I needed a brush to be able to buff out eyeshadow underneath my eyes. And then I also got the Russet River. It is Burts lipstick. It is this dark, I don't know, it would be like red, but kind of a little bit purple. Looks like this. And I got all of these from Walmart. And then I got this Master Precise Maybelline Curvy Liquid Liner. I've been really trying to find a liner that is thin enough to kind of do the wing look, but I haven't found one so far. But this was on clearance for only $2. I think the original price was maybe $3 or $4, so it wasn't that much of a savings, but you know. And then I also picked up 2 packets, oof, these are kind of heavy, of face masks. This one is Cosmetea. It has chamomile tea and it's a blemish control mask. So I thought I'd give this a try, and this was only clearance down for $4, and I think it's $8, so it's half off. And then this other mask is a charcoal pore cleaner, I guess. It says pore care, so I'm guessing it's meant for cleaning out pores, and this one was $3 on clearance. And I got all this mask and the liquid liner at TJ Maxx, and then I got this at TJ Maxx as well. It is just a makeup like organizer, I guess, because I've been needing something for my lipsticks, lipsticks and lip glosses. I'm trying to keep more organized, and this was really the only reason why I went to TJ Maxx, and then I happened to find those other things. But yeah, that concludes this makeup haul slash beauty haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if this is something that you like watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!